What do Boy Scouts and RVers have in common? You might be scratching your head, wondering what a youth organization and a community of road adventurers could possibly share. Well, maybe you'd be surprised to learn that there are 5 fundamental lessons from the Boy Scouts that every RVer should know, and today, Mojo Reviews is diving into each one. First up is the Boy Scouts' classic motto, "Be prepared." We're talking about a level of preparedness that goes beyond knowing your next pit stop. As an RVer, being prepared means you've got essential supplies readily available. Picture this: a first aid kit stocked with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers. A toolbox filled with the necessary tools and spare parts. Emergency supplies like flashlights, batteries, and extra food and water. With these on hand, you're ready for whatever the open road throws your way. Next is the leave no trace principle. This lesson teaches us to respect our environment, leaving it as we found it. As an RVer, this means getting rid of waste properly and ensuring your campsite is clean before you drive off. Remember, a good camper leaves nothing but footprints and takes nothing but photographs. The third lesson is all about fire safety. Boy Scouts master the art of building and maintaining a safe campfire. As an RVer, this skill is just as important. Heed the campground rules, use designated fire rings, and never ever leave a fire unattended. A safe fire is a friendly fire. The fourth lesson comes in handy when you're navigating unfamiliar roads: navigation. Boy Scouts learn to use a map and compass to find their way. As an RVer, you should also know how to navigate, whether by using a GPS or sticking to traditional maps. Knowing your route keeps you safe and ensures you reach your destination. Finally, we arrive at emergency preparedness. Boy Scouts are taught basic first aid skills and how to respond in an emergency. As an RVer, you should also be equipped with first aid training and know how to handle medical emergencies on the road. It's all about keeping calm, staying safe, and getting help when needed. So there you have it. 5 transformative lessons from the Boy Scouts that every RVer should take to heart. They underscore the importance of being prepared, respectful, safe, and responsible on your road adventures. So next time you rev up your RV engine, remember these lessons. They might just make your journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Happy travels. Don't forget to give this video a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to us here at Mojo Reviews.